Hey, my name is Paul and I'm a videographer from Berlin. I've just arrived here in India with the train, and this time I'm gonna film my travels with the iPhone and the Shure MV88 Plus and edit this video with Adobe Rush. I'm really looking forward to that because they are really nice sounds you can record with the mic, and yeah, let's do some crazy stuff here. Bye bye. Just to show how chaotic New Delhi is. Yeah, I like the honk, it's perfect. Now I've got the honk and can save it on the honk. I like that. That one is gonna be the rain. Oh, hey. Oh. Yeah, so right now we're here at in Jaipur at the Ape Temple. It's called Galtaji, and what I'm trying to do is to catch some really nice sounds from the apes over there. On this island it's a little bit windy, but I think it's a good thing because you can play with the sounds from the wind going through the leaves and the trees. It's really nice stuff. I think you can play with some really nice sounds. Okay, so right now I'm trying to fake the sounds from the walking in the water because we got a really nice shot with the sunset. So yeah, this is how it's gonna look to record some amazing sounds. And what's really nice as well is that you can edit with Adobe Rush on the run and gun, and to put up some nice stories maybe for your Instagram, and that's what I'm doing right now. Yeah, we had our first night here in Sri Lanka, and it's pure nature. You can hear the birds, the buffaloes and everything, and yeah, it's completely different to the Maldives, and it's really interesting to record those sounds now. It's pure nature here. It's really cool. So the journey comes to an end, and now the post-production is starting. And with Adobe Rush it's really easy to edit on the run because you can edit wherever you want to. And we're flying now 8 hours, and maybe I'm gonna finish it there. And yeah, let's have a see. And it's easy to handle with Adobe Rush. So right now I'm back in Berlin, and I have to say the 8 hours of flight were a little bit too short to finish the video, but there's a nice feature from Adobe Rush is when you edit on the go on the iPhone, it's all saved in the cloud and you can finish the video later on the desktop version. That's what I'm doing right now, and I'm gonna show you step by step how I edit this video. So when you're editing with Adobe Rush, you have all your videos on the left side, and I already put my video into the timeline, but now I need the SFX, the rain. As you remember, I recorded that one. And there's a cool filter which only allows you to show you the audios. So right now I'm searching for the rain, and as you can call the SFX with a name with the MOTIV audio app, you can find it really quick. And now I got it, and I just put it under the video clip, and here we go. And then you can fade in and fade out the sound, and it's perfectly for your clip. To see how I fade in and fade out the sounds, I show you a clip from the waves because it was a little bit too windy at the ocean. So I took a SFX sound where I recorded the waves under it. And as you can see here, the gray bars, you can put it a little bit longer or shorter to fade in and fade out. And what I love to do is that I put the SFX sounds a little bit in front and a little bit on the back of the sound. So it starts just a little bit before the shot is starting, and finishing, the SFX finishing after the shot is already finished. So you can hear a little bit earlier than you see the shot, and yeah, I love to do that, and this is how I'm going to use the SFX fade in and fade out function. And the last step I'm going to show you is how I grade my video. And I think it's easy with Adobe Rush because it's built up like Lightroom. I'm editing all my photos with Lightroom, and you can go here into the details like contrast, temperature, exposure, or even the shadows. And it saves you a lot of time because it's really, really easy to handle. And I can show you here with on-off how I graded this one. And now I'm finished my video, and what's easy with Adobe Rush is that you can share directly to your social medias. It depends on what social media channels do you have. Like here it's YouTube, Facebook or Instagram, and right now you can see here it's my YouTube. You can already give your YouTube video a name, and you just type in your title, your description, and you can finalize it and just share it to your social media channel. And I think it saves you a lot of time, and I love this function with Adobe Rush. And yeah, that was my small tutorial how to edit with Adobe Rush. I hope you liked the video, and yeah, have a lot of fun with the final video. Until next time, bye bye.